When will our company introduce the cloud? We want to move to the cloud, but the management won't listen because of security risks concerning sensitive information. Does this sound familiar? 90% of companies, hereinafter, on-premise, who use in-house servers have already considered the cloud, but many of them do not use the cloud because of security concerns. For customers who want to eliminate such risks, we have created the HashCloud. HashCloud protects against security concerns such as leakage of confidential information, while migrating in-house managed servers to the cloud to achieve cost cuts and easy management. The mechanism is very simple. Confidential information included in the data uploaded to the cloud can be hashed. Even if a hacker steals data from the cloud, it doesn't make sense because the hacker cannot decipher the hash data. By using HashCloud, you can reduce operating costs and man-hours while ensuring security in a large variety of business situations. Let's see how to use HashCloud. For example, customers who want to keep confidential information security at the highest level can hash personal data such as names, addresses, etc., and store it in the cloud, improving both convenience and confidentiality. Other applications can be found in the medical and welfare industries as well as in-house activities such as human resources. By hashing personal data stored in the core system operating the company intranet such as employee IDs and managing them with a cloud server, the number of man-hours required for server maintenance of the core system can be greatly reduced. This is a truly multi-purpose system. For example, inventories management, stock, loans, reservation systems for conference rooms, etc. Another example, handling of personal information found in participation forms for events. The attendees' names can be hashed and stored in the cloud. Currently, management of this personal data is left to the web reception system business operators, but HashCloud allows companies to regain control over this personal data. Can you believe that is possible? The system works well even if you replace sensitive information with a hash value. This is because each confidential information is already used as an identifier to distinguish it from others. Therefore, the hash value of such identifiers can be stored in the cloud. Even if a hacker accesses this data, if such data is only a hash value of the identifier, it would be worthless. Then, since the real confidential data is stored in the company intranet, hackers can't steal it if the intranet is managed properly. Also, when the user operates the system on an internet PC, the hash value is automatically replaced with confidential data, so it looks as if the confidential data was originally there, and it is functionally the same as the on-premise system. I will also introduce the difference between hash value and encryption. Both encryption and hash values are technologies that transform the original data and make it undecipherable. However, with encryption, you can recover all encrypted data with only one key. On the other hand, in case of a hash value, you need all the original data to recover it. HashCloud will help everyone in a wide range of industries to build a system by using the cloud more safely and conveniently.